Around 10:38:62, clear staying latches.
Morning and welcome to Kev's Railfanning. It is pre-dawn on Sunday, December the 1st, 2024 at not 6:46 hours Atlantic time, and we're in Juniper, New Brunswick. The friendly crew on CN Z121 has just called the clear signal to Juniper. CN has been working on installing new gates at the southwest road crossing just to the east, and 121 has a 25-mile-an-hour speed restriction at that crossing. And that is why 121 seemed to take so long getting to me this morning. Power is CN 3862, 3214, 3358, and mid-DPU 3102, with a good-sized train with a total axle count of 612. The morning sky will start to lighten about 5 minutes after 121 has gone by. Couldn't have done that 5 minutes before they came, could it? So enjoy CN Z121, pre-dawn at Juniper.
Detector, Napadogan 120. No alarms. Temperature -5 C. Total axles 592. Speed 38. Detecteur LCN, Napadogan 120. Aucun problème. Température -5 C. Total essieu 5 9 2. Vitesse 3 8.
'21 CN 3862, mile 125, Napadogan 706.
I hope you enjoyed this great video of CN Z121 pre-dawn at Juniper. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again at Kev's Railfanning, enjoy and be safe.